All right, gentlemen, so let me explain how all of this works for summer grades. Now, remember, we need a 2.3 GPA to play, okay, 2.0 to even be CIF eligible. But again, this is what we're going for right here. Now, let's say, for example, now the reason I'm putting this video out because there was a little confusion about how summer affects the semester. Summer does replace a class as long as it's the same class. Now, this summer, we're offering 2 sessions of summer, so I'm going to show this with 2 sessions. Okay, so let's say I took English, and again, these are all semester 2 classes. Then I took algebra. Okay, then after that, let's say I took an earth science class. Okay, then I took history. Okay, then I took Spanish. And I took weight training with us. Okay, and again, that's the class that you guys had with us, the 7th period. Okay, now let's say in English I got an F, algebra I got an F, earth science I got a B, history I got a C, Spanish I got a D, and weight training ended up with a B, even though everybody should be getting an A as long as you attend every day and actually work out. It's an easy A, okay, but some of us weren't there or weren't attending regularly, so your grade is not an A. Okay, so now let's add the points. So F is a 0, F is 0, B is a 3, C is a 2, D is a 1, and B is a 3. Okay, so that's all going to add up to 9 points that I get towards my GPA. Now this is 6 classes. Okay, and in order to get a 2.0, I need 12 points because 12 divided by 6 is 2. Okay, so that means I'm 3 points short. In order to get a 2.3, I need 14 points. So that means I'm 5 points short. This is what we're going for. So here's where summer helps. Now, if you take the same class you just took this semester, it will replace the grade. So let's say you take algebra 1, the same semester 2, okay, which I'm actually teaching this summer, okay? And let's say you end up with a C. Okay, that's going to give me 2 points because remember, I need 5. Okay, that algebra grade is going to cancel this one out. Okay, it's almost like this never happened. And now this becomes your semester eligibility, counts towards your semester eligibility because that was 2 points. But I still need 3 more because I needed 5 total. So then, nice thing about this summer is we offer 2 sessions. So let's say I take that English class. Well, I need 3 points. That means in the English class, I have to get a B. And remember, these are both 3 weeks long, these sessions. So that means you would take 3 weeks and then do 3 weeks again. Okay. So now that English class gives me 3 points, and there's the 5 points I needed to get the 2.3. Okay. And even better, why not go for a B? Because we're not just about getting C's and D's. We want to get B's and A's because we're trying to go to college or set ourselves up for that and make sure we have great opportunities for that. But again, that grade replaces the English grade. And it's almost like this just goes in this place of this goes in place of this. Now, the only thing that's different, let's say I do the same situation, but instead of retaking this English class, I decide to do PE. Now, I didn't take PE during the school year. So it will not replace this F. So that F will still count. Okay. So now let's say I get an A in PE, right? That's 4 points. Okay. But again, now it's almost like this PE becomes a 7th class. So I'm no longer being weighted on 6 classes. Now I'm being weighted on 7 classes. So it's almost like I can take this PE class, put it here, and now add it to my total. Now, in order to get a 2.3 with 7 classes, I need 16 points. I need 16 points, right? That equals a 2.3. So now let's add it up. Okay, remember, I have the 4 here. Now, since I didn't retake the English class, that F still counts. This algebra class still replaces this one. So it'll be 4 plus 0 plus 2, which is 6. And I add up the rest. Okay, so plus 3 is 9, 11, 12, plus 3 is 15. 15 points. Well, that's not enough. I needed 16. So you've got to be careful when we choose what summer classes we're going to take. Make sure it is a class that is going to replace a semester 2 class. That's the best way of going about this. So talk to your counselor, ask me questions, message me, or see me on Tuesday and or Wednesday if you have any more questions, okay? But make sure you guys are taking care of this and seeing your counselors ASAP. Okay, bye.